Hi everyone, welcome back to David's tutorial, and today let us talk about the Bank of America's mobile app. The app, or the Bank of America mobile app, in 2025 remains one of the most reliable and feature-rich banking apps available. It offers a clean interface with easy access to core features like mobile check deposit, Zelle transfers, bill pay, and budgeting tools through Erica, the virtual financial assistant. Users can lock and unlock cards, view credit scores, and get account alerts in real time. Security is also pretty strong with biometric login options and customizable fraud alerts. While some users report occasional login glitches, it is actually pretty um, normal to encounter things like this, but the overall performance is actually smooth and high rated across both iOS and Android platforms, making it a solid choice for managing finances on the go.